Idol, ano ang pinakamahalaga? Cardio, workout, nutrition, which is diet, yung kinakain, at recovery, which is sleep. Unang-una, sleep para makarecover. Tapos, ang tanong, gusto mo ba magka-muscle o gusto mong gumaling sa sport mo? Kung para sa sport activity mo, cardio, di ba? Doon. Pag gusto mo magka-muscle, body sculpting, weights ang priority. And then, syempre, yung nutrition. Kailangan nandyan yung nutrition natin. Kailangan kumain tayo ng calorie deficit para mabawasan yung body fat, makita yung abs. Diba? And then, kumain ng protein to gain, build, and repair muscle tissue. Yan. And healthy fats for good hormone production and cholesterol. So, kung gusto mong body sculpting, bodybuilding, recovery, sleep, workout, stimulate, progressive overload resistance training, stimulate, build muscle, and then nutrition. And then kung activity naman, cardio muna. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy, guys.